guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
No go let people talk. They go say they like you. They no go tell people truth. Una see the girl when they up there, one way they call her Freda. Freda get children, right? Okay. Freda, if you waka come in this video, you see how you dress, just continue to the dress normal. I don't know whether na Freda or whether na Freda or anything you see for there. Take am like that. I don't know, just take am like that. Whether na that musician, if I don't spell am well, take am like that. You don't already see the picture. You see, say this life, they say na people eye, now they see something. Now only blind person, now you go to describe. Now you go to say, you know go fit see am, touch am. You see this there when it come out when the saga see the way when this girl take come out. My sister, I don't know where you are from. Maybe you are from Nigeria. I don't know the city you are from, or I don't know. Please, you see the way you cut dress your dressing, you cut dress, you know, you dress very well. Dress like this anywhere when you want go play. They dress normal. You understand? They dress normal, not the naked, not the open hands for air as this Korra they do. This is only why I don't just, when you talk about Korra, I'm out of that place. This thing when they do, even the ballerina, you know, that they see ballerina, even the ballerina when be say, that they make money to the dance, that they wear clothes. The cloth when they go wear, they get their own clothes set. Even they get this thing when they follow, carry they follow on. See the way when Korra one they praise. I think the good girl now she they lament. See the way when she take open nyash, even he say she wear pants. No. It's not good like this. This one and a mother. Okay, see the second one now. It's often wear boots. You wear skirt complete. You can't wear jacket put. This look good. Now like this is supposed to be. Why people they say see what she wear? See what she wear? Una want make the open toto. Yeah. Una want make that one the open toto. So that when I go to see Korra own. The way when I tell to see Korra own, I go to see that girl own like this. See Korra. Now she said the place, the club when she carry her pikin go, say they still report and give police. That is child abuse. That is child abuse. If you are a mother, now child abuse be that one many oyibo. They say if you dare Roma, you behave like the Romans. Anywhere when you dey, if you dey Ajegule, behave like Ajegule. As you dey Obodojibo, behave. You enter bar when big men dey, adult, different people where they sit down, they drink. You not even dress decent, go there. I don't know wetin you feel say if you naked your body. Now man want to follow you. I don't understand. You go naked your body. Now man see your never. Your never self not they attract. Look at the way you just useless your life finish. They say you they make money. Now you they complain. You they bittered. You they bittered complain. Your complaint is so bittered because people don't want to tell you truth. Look at what you are doing to yourself. If I look over sometimes, I'll say, now this girl be this one. He say he wan come to talk come out to make no come go be like mobile. So now all day one day now this girl will just sleep, he no go wake up. The money one I thought say they make, who go come they eat the money? And the money go come see enter the children account. Who go see they control the money when enter children account? Now see this Justice D. Now you go see they control the children, they control the money. See as Edo Saba space, see the way when they take useless this woman life. I beg, whether they call you Freda. Freda, Edo Saba space no come o. If you want to do your things, they do one for America space there. It's going to help you start and small. This is the first time doing this. And when you are going there, dress decent. Because there is some of those dressing when Korra they dress, they enter some place. Married women, when they there, they go carry their husband come out because they don't want to make Korra corrupt their husband. If Korra should open nyash like this, some white people go they come out their husband face. They block their husband face. If they say their husband, 1 year, you go tell their husband, so yeah, let's leave this party. They should leave her alone. Leave her alone for where? You should get inside. Let her get inside and look for good thing to do. She's not even selling. This woman, she don't they play music for good 1 year now. I never see waiting she play. The second one thing I thought say now only 2 people dead there. Only 2 people. Now they say, now 2 people dead there. Now only those 2 people when they see for them, now they think say he come the party. But if you look the place when this lady face, people dead there. Oh, you see, and people dead there. If now Korra na dey stage like this, Korra go come up for stage like this. You will go the open nyash for people. Korra get as it be. I don't know why. Korra can never stand on stage like this, the way when this guy take stand. With the look. If we want the judge, people when they judge, if you want more, we can't judge. We know what we they see. If now Korra dey stage like this, Korra go come on for top of stage. You will go the open nyash for there. Men go come they use hand, take the rub nyash, take the rub breast. Musician come on to akuna. Yes, you dey laugh my person. Musician talk to akuna. You go see this girl now, she stand for stage. Now some musician they do. If this guy do another the first time, do another the second time, before you know, Korra go enter house. Korra, you see? You see your life? You see your life? This girl now, she wear boot, she wear hose before she wear boot. After she wear boot finish now, she can't wear skirt or top. Ballerina dress. Now this girl wear so. You see, she do on top of stage. She suffer the dance for there. If you like, you know dance and well. Now this dance where this girl they dance, now you both like. My personal person, you don't laugh. How you there, though? This if you say now you the dance, no, the dance where you go run up and down like this, go. Come sit down for there, they do like this, do like this. Now that dance Oyibo they like. Oyibo like this dance. You know? You are welcome, my love. Oyibo, are you angry with Pussycat? Yes. Look, you when they angry now, Ellie. You look Korra now, look this girl. You be mother. If you are a father, if your child be behaving like this when he grow up, are you going to like it? You know why Nigeria parents sometimes when their children they do nyama thing, they don't they like to come they talk put because if their children if their father tell them say no, what you are doing is not good, they want to tell their father say okay, don't ever call me again because they know say now then they give their father money for food. Then if their papa want come they talk to them, their papa will come they use system till they talk to them, make them not stop their father food. Money. You are welcome, my love. Good morning, my personal person. But now look, I'm not be mother. But now look, I wish you don't like this thing. You don't like her. This thing when they do so, you don't like her. If in a club you want go, just go club. Oyibo wey like this thing na club na dey for dey see dem. No be you reach where cafe bar, you dey open your nyash. Breakfast bar, you dey open your nyash. Dinner bar. Do you know this girl no even know where it's supposed to even dey show her disgrace. Now club you go dey do this one. When you reach club, you see men wey be say they no get wife. They just go there to go filare. Now club something now you dey do for coffee bar. Coffee bar is a coffee bar. That is where people take breakfast in the morning. In the afternoon, you go to restaurant where people take lunch. In the evening, you go to restaurant where people take dinner. But if you reach restaurant, you go open nyash, put for top of table when they serve. This is What did they happen to her? If you like, oh, my person, see you see me, oh, my mama not die. May God forbid you win there. If you like, make it pie. Now they pie itself. See what they talk. If you they talk sometimes, it go be like say, make una come the time because they say, oh, she go through die. I beg my sister, you went write this comment here. My mama, he die. Now today that they die. Today that they die. If person still die, you go cry. Oh, you go see rest. You know how many people when it don't buy, people don't buy for their family this year, they don't cry clean face. Now stranger, oh, now you won't come cry die put. Now they talk sometimes, now they feel say now they talk, make person they pity who now they support. How they pity nyama thing? How they pity? I don't get that heart when they take they pity when somebody is doing relevant thing. Okay, what did this woman do? So he carry pikin reach bar. The pikin go they follow and go they dance, yeah, dance. How many of you both children you go see the character when this woman pikin play for that bar? Can't you people say the truth once and for all? Why is she showing that child now? We are talking about guest children. What is she they show that child? Did you know the place where these people live? These people live in America. Go to America today. Now every day that they do DNA analysis for there. Every day. Is it the biological father? You are not the biological father. Go there. Una know they follow. Una know they follow where una go collect sense. Now when I want to advise person when better person. This now so they make money. Now you say people pata if you buy my sister, if this woman by mistake tomorrow now I don't already talk and she sleep, she not wake up. The Justin Dean one they say Justin Dean. He account 9 children. 9 he account. They know the government know children. If you get account for America. Justin Dean still there with the children. All of them now they go chop the money together. No matter how it go be. If now woman first die, now the husband with the children go chop him money if he get money. If now the man die, now the wife with the children go chop him money if he get money. No, I not going to talk story for our ear. I know they support relevant thing. People should stop saying if he die for now people make. If you like. Now today they start to dey buy. My mama die. No use death. No use buy. Because if you can't talk buy, I can say she go to die. The people to push her, she go to die. My person, you there somewhere now people they push you. You know say this place when people they push you for, push you go. If you fall for there, you go die. You know what quickly run come out for there. Now they talk waiting go make person. You now go they feel say make person can't they feel for now. We don't take for this life. We know they feel for anything again because we don't see the ugly and the bad. Yes, oh my personal person, they hate truth. They hate truth. Look at it. The woman should complain every day by day. Okay, your papa buy too. My papa buy. You know, so we know they like to they bring something when they happen to our house. Did you know that I lost somebody close to me inside this November? Inside November. Yeah, inside now November. I'll be inside December. Yes, person close to me, but I no carry am come Facebook on dey talk. I cry. This one to pay me. I remember when I did Naija that time. No say good people. I cry. Oh, I say, oh, I can't remember. Can't remember. I go say, oh, lovely Wolo. Now wetin dey tell me that time? Lovely Wolo, lovely Nudo. I cry. So my daughter come tell me say, mommy, I have never seen you cry like this. Just the same way you cry when we lost grandma. That means when my mama died. He said, now that day you don't see me say I cry like this. You know? And waiting my daughter tell me be that. Say, mommy, for a long time, over how many years now, I've never seen tears in your eye. You always laugh, you always play. Say, but this one, you cry the same way you cry for grandma when grandma died. I say, yes. But I don't carry on Facebook, come to Zuzu. Now you want to tell me, say, if one person come die, one come to cry. I believe that thing. If you die just now, you don't finish. That Facebook app, and I not go see her again. You people should learn how to talk to people. You go calm down. It matter go calm down. No. It matter part 2. This one is part 2 now for it matter. Now, so not my day. You tell the person say, not my day. They gonna say if he die, be like say they never died before. I believe that thing. So people go carry pregnancy for 9 months. They go born for hospital. They go tell the mama say the pikin. You go say make I see the pikin. You go see cry. You go see enter house. Don't say now come they talk for another person for outside say if he die. I beg you leave that thing. Una who never experience death. Now they feel say death. Now one kind thing if you can't talk, I can't run enter house. She's not doing well. If she won't last now her hand na day. If she won't stick by now her hand na day. Look, see her. May you look at you when write that comment. No be Heli write that comment that time. Only my sister. You still look, see person, see her. If now you get daughter like that, say you be woman, picking when you don't use yet, stay train. Say now money can't they find, she go they come out like this. What is this? Did you know how many Oyibo? This one no they happen for Obodo Oyibo. Even if Obodo Oyibo want to do this one, they have club where they do this kind of a thing. They don't do it in anywhere. Go reach bus stop, open yash. Reach supermarket, open yash. Reach stadium, open yash. Reach inside this thing, open yash. Reach here, open yash. Man, they like to they tell ourselves truth. May God not let us use our hand. See, we carry our pikin for belly. We can't burn the pikin. We can't use our strength to trade the pikin. May the pikin can't be like this for public disgrace. May God not let us raise a child we go be like this. Which kind of money they find? Which kind of money they find? No people be daughter. So daughters they now, every month that they carry level €1,000, level $1,000 enter house. Daughters that they carry level $1,000 enter house. They said Justice D bring money when you work for, when you see for Facebook for 2021. I can't read this now. He bring 200 and something thousand. For now, man say this man has been working. Which Facebook will pay him? This man, that man, if that man have that money, I can't be that. That is white people for you. He can bring it, say, see money when he make. Now that man can't not be that. Justice D can have $1 million for his account. Now Ojibo, if they work, Nigeria people know. If now you see money for account, on our head go just blow. This Justice D one they see now. And I say this man now he get one business when they do. When be say una when they Facebook una no know. Now so my sister good morning egbe afore ne. Or I see bus stop on yane diyan. Or see supermarket on yane diyan. Or say that with coffee. Breakfast time on yane diyan. Dinner time on yane diyan. Lunch time on yane diyan. No, this is not fair. To be honest, we be mothers. This is not fair. You think I will say this girl mama they alive? Say the mama go happy for this thing when they do. Okay, look at Freda. Not be Fred that they call this girl. Look at the way this girl dressed decent. I will say Fred that don't see open yan just now. I'll say Fred that I beg go cover your yan. Look at the way she dressed decent. Welcome in thank you for the like. See the way Fred that dressed different. They say now something now they tell the how will I use that English? Now person now something they tell the how I want to use that because una matter don't tire me. Huh? See Fred that one at the talk. Now Fred that one at the fight. Wanna see he dress decent. If you are a musician now, you just dress the way when Sylvester Savage. Is it Sylvester Savage? I'll be waiting at the caller. They always forget that name. Is this was Savage? I don't know. Una not see the way when that woman take the dress. Now that woman, even when they even bring that woman public this thing come out after they want use and take kill the career. After the queen late, when they want do queen burial, from all the way from Nigeria, they can't know that woman. Ojibo they look. Sylvester Savage go to a wish this person Elizabeth even enter the gate alone. They invite them for all the old musicians when they invite for the world. They invite that Nigerian musician. Only that musician bring good award called Nigeria. He bring good award called Nigeria. How many musicians from Nigeria they don't invite go palace for abroad for United Kingdom? They know how musicians take the dress. She go say how can somebody dey on top of stage? How can somebody dey on top of stage? That stage, they put that stage for you to stay. So that people no go rough handle you. She go come out on top of stage. She will go where people dey. Those one will come to use until they press his body. They chuku hand for inside nyash. You are so dirty. Don't enter people when they support you, they not be now irrelevant people. Now then they support you. Doing like this, God forbid. Thank you, my personal person. You know, say the name and the queen. You know, say people when the person not the queen too much go there. Will they forget their name sometimes? See this one now. Eh? See the way we just dress, my dear. You know, say they'll come they used to take the do saga. Now don't mind them, oh. Freda, not just mind them, oh. If you want to do your party, suffer they do and small. Suffer they do and all those Nigerian musicians, they go look you. If they see say yes, they find something in you. They go see they call you. You go see go there. Suffer they do and small. And if they go, they close your body as you take dress. So then they see clothes when musicians they wear. If you want to go crazy, musician when they go crazy. If you dress with the clothes finish and chain go full everywhere. Don't say that they see junkie musician. If you want to be junkie musician, you go see the trousers when they go wear. You go tie them. Chain go full everywhere. See this one go open nyash. Now so toto they open. So toto. I beg cover this toto. Cover this toto. If it day period, she go put toto. If she day ovulation period, she go put toto. Ha! You people, you are terrible. This girl, she so stink. I don't like stinky people. People when they stink. When no how can a woman, a mother of two child, she not go fit control herself. So the bloggers will come, the blog and come out. How he pint stay wet. Blogger go they bring everything come out. Before you both see that thing low. He did disgust. Before you both see that thing low. But say, what's this? This is dirtiness. She's so dirty. Why did her pants suck up? Why? What's this? Now, many things, now they make person, they say, yeah. You cannot control yourself. So, see, they want to, they open your nose, they see pad when they put, they gum jump pint. Since now to open your nose, now they see flat pad. I don't forget the name. They go join, and they talk am for video that day. Somebody they say, if they see that part like that, yes, then they see am. You go join am for your this thing. If you dey period, you go open am. If you dey ovulation period, you go open am. You go just you point. See the other day when he dey kitchen. Now so you open yan. She herself disgrace herself. She not even keep quiet too. Pretend say something like that happen. Delete the video. No, she can't say, hey, you people sorry. I just mess myself up. No, you not mess up. You mess down. You not mess up. If you mess up, you don't reach up with that. This one now you mess down. Look at you. Look at you. You are when I see you sometimes, they pay me. How? I say, this woman, where your mama dey, may her soul rest in perfect peace. Your sister, when you get self, that one go dey laugh like person when they chop this thing, they chop leaf. And so that one they like be like goat when they chop leaf. That one self be like that. It be like say that one self even get mental problem. See your life. You don't laugh. Nice school. Is it nice school? You know they say this only musician anywhere when you go, music will dey, you go dey dance. That one not be mad woman, mad musician. Now mad musician. If you hear say music, the packer now music they play for them, go they dance. If you reach bar where they take breakfast, coffee bar, coffee where they take breakfast. If you reach there, you go they dance. You scare people away. People go shock, say, what's this? Because they scare people. People go there to relax. To just gist, drink their coffee, eat their this thing, come on for them. If you don't reach there, not be people, what do you they do? Not be everybody they like, huh? There is some people that don't like it. They don't like it. Decent people, no, they like this yama. If you be musician, go stage. If you reach where they say this thing along local vendi along the road, if you reach there where they say this thing, if you reach there, you begin to dance. People wey want buy something, everybody go waka come on, leave you for there. You know they see you sometimes. People always go away whenever you arrive because you don't do it well. There is some clothes when you go wear, you go attract people. In the America, there people go even they show, wow, I love this your dressing, I love this your acting, wow, beautiful. There is some dress when you go dress, from your hair reach to as you be musician, you go reach $2,000. When people go see her, that dress go attract people. This is my one. You know they attract anybody. I don't know. I don't know why these people can't be like this. What that Ashawo system now they do, I don't know. You know, when you do the video, finish your video, the next thing you feel don't go they do akuna. Now akuna said not they even behave like this. Now those people that they say, I went to school in Japan. Go your school certificate. No, where Japan? When you for go school? No. I went to school in China. Okay, where your school certificate? No, people, all of them, when they say they go school, they come out from Nigeria, go school for China. All of them now they sit down for Facebook, they chop. Where you na school certificate? Una know they you na no fit use and find work. Useless people. All those one they go do akuna for China. They do akuna for China finish. So you both carry them, they come, carry them enter America. As they enter America finish, they become a graduate. And they don't know, tell them they bring their school certificate. They don't have any. They don't have any. They are just there deceiving people. Mumu. Now, mumu are they deceive because this kind of people don't feel deceive me. Huh? Huh? It's getting too much. If you want to sleep yourself naked, if you want to street yourself naked, not everywhere you go, you do it. You go see so you born and they just they want to have their breakfast in a cool way. You go there, go they shake nyash, and pit they smell. Go wake up in the morning, come on for bed in the morning. Instead of to enter bedroom, go bath, clean self. You go come bedroom, you go come. you go come kitchen, they open yansh, pint, nyama nyama, they will call the crishot and look at the day they crishot. This I say now woman like you, now you una the crishot he pint. As he pint take wet. That thing is disgust. Even woman self, or woman no one even see her. See, Freda now. Freda now, see the way when she the third stay. People they say, see the cloth when you wear, see the boot when you wear, see the this thing when you wear. Freda, if you they do a new start, the day when you go, you go buy one fine boot. The fine boot to change go follow and go they attract people. But dress decent. Do you hear Freda? Dress decent. Because Freda did open nyash the way Korra is opening her nyash. That is why they are against Freda. Because they want Freda to still come and be disgracing herself. Open nyash, open pekus, open enus, open everywhere the way Korra is doing her own. They want Freda to come and do her own the same. This one they want at the BSF. I don't even know. They give una now those one they give them more former. More. They reach America, then they go, they carry one kind name. Even American people say no, they bear those names when they bear. This one do now they give her Okwaku. Okwaku now they give her. The second one they give her a son, Papa son can be a care. They reach this thing and they can't change their name. If they pronounce their name sometimes, it will be like say you don't even know where to they go. This one, it's very bad. You are lamenting. I saw your video, Korra. You are in the world. When you are in the world, you will see a lot of people there, both good and bad. But when people is saying it, they'll say, "Shut up. Shut up, she they make money." May God never let me make money when I go depressed for the money. People that make money, they enjoy their money. You know, they see America stars. You know, they see America stars. If you see them, people where they interview them, they'll say, how much did your bag cost? They'll say, wow. You'll say, this my bag is $25,000. Oh, what of your chain? You'll say, oh, my chain, $8,000. You'll say, wow, how much is your car? You'll say, wow, my car. Oh, wow, my car is $60,000. You'll say, how much is your shade? You'll say, oh, wow, my shade is $800. Wow, how much is your ring? You go say, wow, this ring, this one is a gift. You say, this ring is a gift. From who? You say, oh, from my best friend. How much? Oh, I didn't know. I didn't ask her. You see, huh? You not feel can use dirtiness because they tell me say you get money. No, you know they flick me. Go carry better car. Wear sunglass when they say €800, or wear sunglass of $1,500. I go if I see I go and come out. I know say you want it. No, you don't want anything. They can't say you the jealousy. You don't want anything. I can this woman, she don't start to the shaking her show for how many years? Can't reach today. This woman, she was nothing. She was nothing. Even she go reach Nigeria, say, the music not even sell for abroad. Okay, still reach Nigeria. The music not still sell for Nigeria. See this boy, whether they call this boy, when you see Oba Siwenoge, see the beating when follow on. Oba Siwenoge no, Oba si, Siwenoge no yubo, Oba si. See the music, only the beating when follow on. Hello, I dey do shopping for Africa shop today when I go last. I won't begin to the dance for the music. Everybody they dance for that music. People when they buy something, that music they repeat that music. They repeat that music. Who is that little boy come out? Who is that little boy come out? Even as the boy sing that music, the man when you say na he sing the music, even come out. Come they fight for the music. So the people, you know what I not like for this life, if you don't use something again, if another person come carry and repair, una go dey fight put. Now go see the man when he say na first sing the music. I think pikin dey abroad. They don't set stage for the man. Can't dress the man. I tell them say this one na medicine after death. Abeg, Baba. If I be you, Baba. If any music when he dey, when he say you don't sing, you don't take, and this boy bring this oba enene noge. Still fast, say we lare omo e music na pe ni swear owu ipai. This music pai una ya mwere ke no pai ji. Omo we rola mi wa we mi vo wari egun. That is how you supposed to do something. But what the children want come do? Children want come put the man, old man, for saga. I tell say, bro, it has as your see your more son. I like that boy. So your more son. Music, papa music, feed before if your mother they sing that time, I know the two hearer. They speak Benin inside Benin. I know the two hearer. This is pikin, because they make me they hear waiting. A papa they talk. He say Akie, He say he get one way he talk. He say Akie. Am I no John way? He pikin come see and say, oh, now waiting this man talk that time. You know, he get the way when the boy comes now. The boy now, his son now, then they make me, they understand. Let Osayomore music well. Okay. Aki eva lo yoto yeme am I not your way yeme yeme hey I say we ne pass Osayomore tie ni ona here I no know na piki come make me know that music. Una know the music now. When you say Aki eva total yoto I don't know, you know, I dey try. Aki eva lo yoto yeme am I not your way? Oh, you know, oh, you know, so yama, oh, you know. When you pick sing, the pikin can't let me know. Say, now waiting, if papa sing. Now the meaning, now be this one. Because why? If papa speak deep Benin. You know, now this one that they call a technology movement. You know, technology movement. When the papa singer, I don't understand that. When he became na 20th century boy, 9B. When he come sing and he come make him dead lightly, he come light. I can't understand that. Oh, now waiting Baba they thought that time be this. Since how many years? Now inside last month, now I know waiting Baba talk for them. Uno we mena genya. Otani Baba tai. Imate na his son now for no I be no know. I like that music. If I read that place, you get the way when I take the singer. That music I like I will get follow you to I don't know. Oh yeah me am I no John way? Oh yeah me oh yeah me. I know that music. I say wow. Una see And those one come now, you know, they can't dress the Baba, carry the Baba put for top of stage. I say, Baba, not to stress yourself. Your time don't pass. I bet this small boy when they go solo your music. If I were you, who will we mean? Laro we mean. Egbe with your mind, even have it where we have me on one no long. Why really the same family? He did that year. They'll say, so this man will die years ago. Now this family, now this man come for, now he come for Rosso. Wow, see the man going dead that man body that time. So now this woman, so you born this, go say this woman, so now you born this man, come this community again. Don't say the time when you come the man or him man. Oh, we know why we don't know why we are man. Now so the man supposed to do with that boy, and that boy go say, Baba, anytime you they put money for Baba account or I will appreciation is something. As the one come to night, became when they abroad now, you can't put on for Igbina. Now people come to now Osamore Pikin come, all of them come to say everywhere sweet one. The music, even you got one of our our chief, when they act movie, that one still come, he say, no be your papa see the music. Now I say, oh, matter come close. And I first talk out when I first use them to do live video. Otanmewa geleta, ona dose. Sometimes when you people are doing something in this life, if person they talk and they'll say you the jealousy. No, we not the jealousy. As he reach your hand, do and where. Maybe the something not reach our hand. Not be everything they reach people hand. It's just like okbea biomi ikbea isis. Omo toeva. O rien rae. O rae ni vie. Non dion. We nous manziva. The rest. There was a women. We share the property. Where omo. While I'm here, while we are. You see, they use until they take care of your brothers and sisters. Now so, as una say una be musician, but me una dey singer. Me we come see use until they dance. I beg, Freda, sing your own very well, so that I will help you. They play your own. As people follow this girl rich, as people follow Korra rich, as people fight for Korra rich, I never see them they play Korra music one day. Then how una come today motivate her? How una take be follower? None of them, as all of them support Korra rich. Nigeria people from America, Nigeria people from Europe country, I never see any of them when you don't use Korra sing music, Korra music, take dance, you know they. But una be friends, so una like us, una not like her. But the person when he like Korra, if they talk, say what Korra they do no good, una go hate that person. I know the two top for Korra matter. He get waiting and they bring come and talk and come on for there. And the people when he gets and go say, lovely, now truth, now you talk. Since one of they fight for Korra, how many of them they play Korra music? The one when I even lie self, when they say he gada, Korra gada, bok ha gada, bora gada. As and now when I say, okay, mom, I can't see Korra music. They don't know. They'll say, I bet that one my music, that one they sing. Now they go see use mouth to explain and say whether my music now Korra they sing. I beg, what do they call you? Freda. I beg your music, sit down. Arrange this music well. Not put on for saga. Go to studio. Arrange your music well. Put your music in a good class. You know, put on for good class. Not go carry on for failure class. If you reach Korra this thing, Obidi platform now. The platform is not a failure platform. They don't kill her. They kill her for her. They kill the platform for her. So they say, justice get money. Justice do this one. Justice now Igbo. Don't tell when did they work. Don't already they work before you see Korra. You don't already they get money for account. Not be we when we know they get money for account. Justice not buy new car. Justice not buy cloth. Justice not you know they say you see Oyibo when worth billions of dollars. If you see the na t-shirt now they go wear. Now people will come to talk say, do you know that man? You see that man you are seeing there? You go say no, you go say now CEO for one company. They'll say, do you know how much he worth? And people go there. You don't go follow Oyibo go dinner. When I know they go dinner. If you follow Oyibo go dinner, then you go see Oyibo go sit down. You say that Oyibo get ship for inside water. You say, do you know how much arrow he worth? You say, yeah, you go say, have a lot of business. Now, we know where Nigeria people for they get money. When we know say Nigeria people get money, they will sew cloth wear, do makeup, paint. Now we tell they know say Nigeria people get money. And now the last couple, now they do all those things. So the last couple. And Oyibo, if you see them, they all wear ordinary slippers, they waka. So the Nigeria people wear mumu. They say, this Oyibo now, wow. See the way, see what he wear. That Oyibo, you know how much he worth? The day, I think I tell now, the day when I see my Oyibo, if you see car when he carry con, and Akmagiri car, now he carry con. The day when you can't see me, as I can't reach outside, me and they find that Akmagiri car. I can't say, where is your car? He said, this is my car. You know what you open? Now this Vala one na they make math Vala and they write Range Rover and then now the Oyibo get. If you see am, that one the pump make cool. I said, wow, are you the owner? He said, yeah, this is my car. He said the second one, and that one until they go walk. You not see am? I will say I be woman when if they look high thing. And also say, that Oyibo or work barrier. Where me moto? Me ma where nya moto no mure e moto. But then ye doctor me wo wa. Range Rover na in right come. Where they park car put they can park it. Imotoji wo mo woman. As I read there, now me they find that Akmangiri car. I said, where's your car? He said, this is my car. Really? Seriously? This is your car? He said, yeah. I said, wow. He said, oh, because you saw me with that car. He said, that car, that one is my working car. He said, now your working car be that one. Now I be waiting, they worry black people. When you go park some people for body, now you get money for black community. Now you get money for black community. When you pass some people for body, now you get money for black community. When you don't pass some people for body, you don't get money. And those people, now the last couple, now they take wrong with the people for body. When you go to their account, they don't want anything. Nothing they there, now zero. And I saw my personal person. Yes. What I thought just now, be rock. I am not against it. I see your comment. I said this life, they wanted to put that thing for Saga. You were there. They wanted to put it on Saga. But it is something settled by itself. You know, if something like that come, no be waiting that they put for Saga. The man self go even see, and they see, you know, say they get some men that time when if they gather children together, you go they tell children story. The man they tell children story in case if you know they gay, if you know they gay, that story when they talk for that village, that story no go die for long. Then the people when teach and story, now those people will come they tell the story. The evil day music, they say, Ogboha no moba owi yawu mi on anoga gboha o ewo me. You know see ah owo ogboha yi hon wo wa ayi say there's you ogboha when you wu. Then ogboha come here for her say another person dey wey e dey play story wey evil sweet pass it on. You see say that person when he come play story wey e sweet pass the real ogboha oh. You go back say the time when that ogboha they gboha that person he hide they listen. You know say some children that time they go so free hide they look all those old men go so women lare because as they hide they look and he love that thing when that old man they do. The old man when the old man was sight he go so women lare don't worry come and learn something. He was Baba was suffering put him for there. You go they learn and say my pikin now like this you take do am now like this you take do am now like this you take do am. You know see you see then the pikin will come learn am. The day even he said that man if children no fit do that thing but person for that community he go fit do am. Now be this life. You know that is life. People don't really know life story. You know, a lot of young youths nowadays, their papa know they tell the story. When we were growing up, we dey hear a lot of story. Anyway, when you see say old man sit down put, I will say, Baba, well, yeah, you go say, oh, yes, so we everywhere we say day house, you just stay there. You say, Papa, just tell me anything when happen for this village, since when you don't grow rich like this. You will just open, you just they tell you the story. That is why you see a lot of people get story and intelligent person. When me I be person when be say I love to see things. I love to hear ancient things. I love it. I don't know why. Because maybe I'm ancient. I'm ancient woman, you know. I'm ancient. You know, there is some people they are ancient, you know. Then I love. If you tell me to come and say some story in Ishan, a lot of some Ishans, some things when it happens, some story for there, I go know a lot to say. But I know they like to talk. And because when I did young, when I did go school that time, no villages when me with my friends know they enter. If you still read there, you'll see hear some story for there. You'll see waka comot. Now be this life. Anything wey person dey do for this life, you know me say now you go do this thing, do and this one to other kegbe wey we no. Elegbe me we, other megbe me joie. They name elegbe we. You know see ah, elegbe we is a name. They name for. They give that name for Bini. They give that name for Ishan. Elegbe joie. Elegbe we. Oh, you do it. Other person is coming. You another person go learn. Now, be the youth of today now, nobody is trying to learn. People want to say 21st century, but when you say the Europeans, things of years back, the Europeans, they are still using those things. They use them. If they get some festival where they do, old Bito, European people go carry and come out. Go to Nigeria now. You won't see old Bito for Nigeria. Waiting, old Bito now, now at the titi. Now be old Bito. Now be Adititi. The latest is Adititi. But for Europe, they get old Bito. If they work out for someone, you'll see say that they write down. Old men, they write down. But go to Nigeria. Who they write Bito for Nigeria? They not there. Because why? We don't keep things. We don't keep things. That is it. Now be say, if you see who they do something well, my person, advise this person say, do am well. If you see who want do this something well, if they use another something to spoil am, if you still be good advisor, tell am say, my sister, this thing, if you do am well, it go good though, but as you dey miss am so, you no go like the end though. You no go like the end. Now be Korra also. Now the Korra they dance. And Korra na America. If they dance, if they shake in hand, if they do this one. See another one don't come out so. You are welcome, love. See another one don't come out so. Now so this girl, she's a very intelligent girl. I no go see this girl as this girl be so she will come to open hand the way when Korra they open hand so. No. And if this girl open hand the way when Korra open hand, I will still tell the girl say I better have. Once I say something no good, you no go ever good. See Korra last year, na Korra dey inside matter o. Last year finish. Enter this year again. The year finish. The pikin went born that time. That pikin, he don't reach 2 years. He dey fight Oyibo. How can you fight so? Now wow. Huh. Yeah? They say the place where they for kitty pass the pikin. They say they know they carry work go there. Where you for keep cheap as the pikin. I like once you keep cheap as the pikin, no enter that forest again. You see hunter. If hunter by mistake, shoot Tipazi, 1 month you not go enter that bush again. Cause they are waiting for the hunter to come, make him by himself. You want to say, no, I'm not the go there. No. They're there because animals, they are very intelligent. They have memories, stored memory. Now this cat when did this house, now I tell no. The day when I want cry. Almost I want cry. He can't jump, enter this, and they do this thing for him. I want give him, he can't jump, enter on top of where at the cook. Because I want give him chicken. Then I come to say, no, don't jump. As I carry him now, he want jump, come out from my hand. He no say, where he for the jump down with the hand when he dey. Now hand, na him far pass. Because when he for the jump down, that one low, that I stand carry him. Make I carry him put for them from my hand fall. Come be like, when he fall, he feel like he can't hit his hand, you know. He can't cry. Say, oh, this one he can't pay me, child. He pay me. He can't run go upstairs. I can't follow and go there. I can't go to stretch that in hand. I can't stretch in hand. Something can't they pay me. He can't tell me say yeah, because they tell me say this something he injure. This eye tears come out from my eye. This one na animal. This one a baby pet or cat. Tears come out from my eye. Seriously, I find myself say I dey cry. Me I be that kind of person when he get that kind soft heart, you know. You can see me say love they do gaga na lie. Oh my gaga, I not reach anywhere, you know. Now I can't stretch the hand, can't stretch and can't stretch and can't stretch and I can't carry on because I don't want to leave alone for inside that house. I can't carry on, can't sit in room. I can't help and they stretch this thing, you know. I can't stretch on. Because they look my eye. For them, I tell them say I can't carry on go kitchen. I tell them say you see this place, don't climb here again. If I make your food, then I will put it inside your plate. Don't climb here again. My people, did you know since it don't reach 2 weeks now when that something happen? Is it 2 weeks now, B? Yeah, it go don't reach 2 weeks now. But next last week it happened, I don't remember again. Did you know that on top of that kitchen, the cat no dey climb by again? I can't dey look am. If I cut like a chicken now, if I dey cut chicken and I would give am small one. You know they climb there again, oh. Lie. I say, wow, you know they climb there because you know say he fall for there. You know say he fall for there. And I wanna say, no climb here again. This is the place. If I drop your food, take and no climb. Come reach today, you no climb that kitchen again. You know they climb am. Because why? They get memory. To see that this animal, they get memory. They store something for their hair. Now this cat I tell you say they get memory. You see some people now, they'll say, if I see this cat they run for me because you throw something for them. If they come, he go run for you. That is this life. All this is when they use Korra, they do. It don't make sense. Korra now, see, the way they do Korra now, say another person don't come out. Like her, don't come out. Before you know now, all those people when they with Korra, all of them now they go park, go where Fred that day. Nobody like you, nyama things, so nobody like nyama things. We are human being. She go back. Good morning. She go back. If as you carry your pikin reach back, carry your pikin sit down, make una dey chop. How many Oyibo when they there? You see the one when carry children go there. Even if Oyibo carry their children go there, the way when your Julia, be waiting at the collar, your daughter, the way when take the dance, now so Oyibo children take the dance for back. If your pikin want dance, if they do birthday, carry your pikin, any of your pikin friend when they do birthday, they invite your pikin will go they dance for there. You cannot be fooling yourself. The same time they fool your young child. You they fool yourself the same time they fool your young child. Are you serious? Did you know what you are doing? You know what you they do? They say ask her pikin they dance. No. She know they dance. You don't see children when they dance ballerina. If your pikin want dance, go register now for ballerina dance. Yes, go and register your pikin for ballerina dance. Through there, they invite them. If they invite the group, you go follow they go. No carry enter bar. As the pikin they dance that day now, Oyibo will say, what's this? Oyibo no tradition more than us. This tradition now one at the top. Not Oyibo come make una know say church day. Una they call this thing medicine. Oyibo which Oyibo they call am voodoo. Voodoo. As I come be now, I can't carry my pikin reach say the time when my children stop small. I can't carry them reach back. They'll come they dance. That means I not be mama when they train pikin way. See the way when pikin take they dance. Are you people serious? Why una they clap hand for people? For those people, for their children to spoil for their eye. The girl not supposed, that small girl not supposed to dance for that place. But a child of 4, I think that girl don't they go 4 years now. They dance like that. You don't ever see 4 years, I'll be 5 years, now that child there now. Have you ever seen a 5 years little child when they possess that character? when that pikin dey process, e no dey. E no dey. If you even tell them, they say, no, mommy, no. Mommy, no. I don't know who they train your children. Oh. Some children, if you carry them, go party, come to draw, they will say, no, no, mommy, no, I don't want to dance. I don't like this place. No, mommy, stop. Mommy, stop. Because what the mama, they do for inside house, if you keep there for one corner there, if they look at, hey, say, I can have daughter take the dance. Say, I can have daughter take the dance. You people, you are useless. Any mother when, if Korra they use the pikin take they do nyaga nyaga, una go say the way when they do and say it good. Now God go punish una. Hypocrite people. God forbid. How can somebody carry a pikin? If you carry a pikin reach, how many children they see for bar? How many Oyibo go carry their children go bar? Oyibo get children get their own space where they do things. How many see I see that place, so how many children easy for them mothers carry come? How many mothers easy for them? Children have where they do their own things. If you go this side time, Christmas time, children not be Father Christmas now not be carry pikin go. Game they there. If you reach there, children they all of them they play. That they put something, that they put money for machine. Then they buy small toys when you put inside that machine, Baba Natale, Father Christmas. And so children they do. Children get their own space to play. Not where adult is and old men, old women. You're not supposed to carry that pikin, they go there. I think they ban those children not to bring them on Facebook. These people, they have continued. You know what? What did they will just do, they will just stop, they will all collect that children. You know what they see that children again? Not only the papa will come to see the children. I bet black people, you people should learn how to do something. There is one comment, there is one post. Whether now doing, I post that post, I don't know. People come to write for there. Now come to say, black are very useless. Now so I get angry, even me, I insult myself. John, I be black. I say, I don't go there, comment put for D something. Now all right for that, say black are very useless. Black people are useless. Now so I just write with anger. You people, you are dealing with white people. When I go there, their country now, they forward that they fight. It's like somebody now. It's like somebody now. You go carry load, you go Benin, you go they fight Benin or motor of Benin. Una go agree? No. I be for Ishan now. The stranger will go Ishan, you go they fight on motor of Ishan. Una go agree, Ishan no go agree. Or if na Igbo now. Stranger go Igbo now, go they fight Igbo people. Igbo no go agree. Yoruba no go agree. What you people know that you won't take. You people should stop giving it to people out there. When I don't carry Oyibo, I don't bully Oyibo, bully. As so that they bully this Oyibo rich, and this that they insult this Oyibo rich, the Oyibo know they insult you now. Can't you people learn for once? You people should learn. Make una learn. Una know they learn. I said it though. I was angry, my person. Did you see the way I say it? The anger now make me use that thing. It's just like you now. In Mafidon, you there Europe now. You reach where that they follow you, both they fight. My brother, you will join them, they fight. You don't come on for there. You will come on for there because if you there, they follow you, both they fight. Camera dead there. Before you know, the police will come pick you for your house. Yes. I tell you now, some people they say, we are equal to the DC. Now equal, now the same law, now equal. Not be equal. Not be equal. If Oyibo keep person, Oyibo go talk say the Oyibo they craze. Now so before instead of them to carry the Oyibo go prison, they go they carry and they go they face medication. Make black man keep person. They not go talk say they craze. Where they carry and go? They carry and go prison. They go carry and go prison. And so most of them they do. They carry am go prison. To see that we not be the same equal, not be with the share. Now money, now they go say, okay, take that they give you money. I give a single mother for Igbo. I give you when you be single mother for black. When it comes to human protection, Oyibo go keep person. They will say it dey craze. Before you know, they don't go chain and put for hospital. They give am coffee, they give am latte, they give am breakfast. What do you want to eat? They're going to use am till they rub am. They go they kiss am. Oh, sorry. Now you keep person. Now they will they say sorry. Because now they will feel say you don't condemn for brain. The way white people behave, I love it more than black. They'll say, yeah, you don't only that key when he keep person. They go they sorry for and say he keep person. They go they pet and oh sorry. Wow. Because why? They feel say he when he keep person, he don't condemn himself. That condemn when he condemn himself, Oyibo people go they feel pity for and say he condemn himself. But if now we won't be black, they go draw and come here, they go knock on for ground, bow. They'll draw and come here, they'll knock on for ground, bow. But if Oyibo do that one, they'll say Oyibo don't decrease. They can't go hospital. They'll go put them for hospital. If you dey for prison for 1 month, the another month, they go carry am go for hospital. You see the one I tell they do, huh? Mary Kokukuma say na black person, now the Oyibo come by. You don't finish before you know, they'll say he decrease a malato. They'll say the malato for tester. Before you go, no, hey, you don't keep black, you don't keep black, you don't keep. Who want help you judge the case? Who want help you judge them? You did their country. People they tell ourselves truth. People whenever work and they say, lovely, shut up. You know they know what they talk. The day you go stay for prison 1 month, another month they'll kind of go hospital. So before you know, they can't grant house arrest or say you know where. Now so. You know how many of them get chain for leg? They get chain. They go leave them. How many black don't say you get chain for leg? They'll say if you walk past the area, they will come carry am. You did. But when you don't reach black, when black don't buy person, see the way when they will take the drag and they go. Because why? Because of that black. And they tell say it will be the same. Will not be the same. More as to the fool na self where you both do. You should stop fooling yourself. Yes. If I deal with Oyibo now, they talk, when they drink coffee together. Now that one man no coffee. We drink finish, we come out for there. One come to say, one come follow them, they argue. You're on your own. You know, that is it. Then before you know, they will drag the black boy. Before you know, the black community will come and hey, this black boy don't keep person. Oh, I to take this person. Now so Google taking you for the prison when you dey go. Hey, you don't keep person. Oh, you don't keep person. Oh, Google kill your papa, kill your mama. Oh, you see, the black boy, even in community go dey insult am. But make it be Oyibo. Oyibo will say, wow, I'm so sorry. Oh, he's going for it. Oh, but the doctor said that he's crazy. Oh, I think they are going to give him house arrest. Oh, you see, they'll put him for a place where he go there. But now when it be black, because they go drag you enter prison, go throw away now for there. Boy, they'll go throw away now. If you see Oyibo when he dey prison, when they give 15 years, you know, say na notorious criminal. Notorious criminal, don't go prison, go. They finally give him 20 years. I don't say that they see notorious criminal. Huh? Now, so, my personal personal. And so, oh, you both forget that one. They don't carry this. Okay, my brother, the way when they do that white man, you too like him. They go insult that man, insult. Now that man be na problem. That man one of the insult, so now citizen of the country where he dey. They go insult and they go na the John Korra. And this man one of the son, now he be the father of Korra children. See now, as when I saw that man reach now, the man still go carry another black girl from Nigeria. Who come mumu pass? If na black person, I go say, God forbid though, I no go ever carry Oyibo again oh. See wetin do me oh. Oyibo no dey judge wetin you do. If na me offend Oyibo, na me offend Oyibo. They no go come say they see another black person now, they want come to use my offender till they fight that one. No! That is Oyibo for you. Do you hear? Now so, make us do something sometimes. Black people, black. Hi! Black. If I dey come life again, I pray to God say, I dey always pray to God to make my children marry Oyibo. My great-great-grandchildren, if I don't die, make my great-great-grandchildren, make them bone me. You see, I dey reason well, my brother be my person with I dey reason. If my pikin come marry Oyibo, go come bound half caste. That half caste will come marry Oyibo, will come bone Oyibo. You know, so when half caste come marry Oyibo now, the half caste no come to show. Then I just want don't see bone now. They come bone the real Oyibo. I don't want come for black again. Only Anna of Galilee no the sign any. The man say if he die, no will come back again. But if I die, I will come back again. But no with black community. I will come as a half caste. From that half caste, Oyibo go marry that half caste. As that half caste don't see born again, Oyibo go see marry. And before you know, black no go come be 100. Black no go come be 20% for my generation. You know, say na small thing. Now they take the key something common for generation. If people there and they'll say this lovely, you don't start again. I'll try to tell you, black people, you not go fit stay where I dey. If black people if they dey where I dey, how they look them, they look my body, they look my body. I not too like to stay with them more. No, there be fashion. I'm telling you the truth. There be fashion. You know why? I just very happy when my children grow up. My children never grow up in a community where black full. They don't grow up in a community where black full because no. I make me say, if my pikin marry Oyibo, if they get quarrel, they go settle by themselves. If your pikin marry black man, well, you know what that will me and you see what your pikin they do? No, I don't need that one. I don't need black nyama. If he with marry Oyibo, if he with Oyibo get misunderstanding, they no go tell me, I no go hear, I no go poke nose. You know, say Oyibo no go fit come in because they say, hi lovely, here, do you see what your son is doing? Or do you see what your daughter is doing? No, they don't use until rob me. You know, consign me. They don't Oyibo no they use until they rob. They go they treat their own problem by themselves. But when it comes to black, hello, Emmanuel, you see what your son they do my daughter? I don't like her like that though. Me uncle say you dey crazy, you be your daughter. Your daughter don't wear. Your daughter you don't wear. Useless in-law. God punish you. Useless woman. That one will still insult me. May God not let me follow my in-law fight. In Jesus' name. You see, maybe if na my daughter, hello, my in-law, you see what your daughter they do now? Can't I tell your daughter, say shut up there, they man, you go to kill you. That one say, so good they kill you. God forbid. I no go follow black people trade this market. When it comes to my children, I can never follow black people trade. I know now half caste I want carry. I don't want carry black children. I dey pray, oh God, though. I say, wait till you come out for your mouth. Now you take the blessed person. That is my prayer. I don't want to follow my children drag black children. I want to follow my children drag half caste. I know something when if I kill person, if they come, they'll say, check. I don't say, no see now. If somebody die, or people will check wetin kill am. So that if that sickness come again, they go know how they'll take cure that sickness. That be my own. No. God forbid. I mean, one go dey drag black pikin dey go. When im mama, how be say the black children, na their mother-in-law, na dem dey talk. Na their mama, na dem dey talk. I no need am. Even Birelu. Abeg, make una no come. If you be black man, if you like, get money reach heaven and earth. Even Davido say go say, he dey find my daughter's hand in marriage. Davido, carry your money go that side because you be black man. Even say na Timaya carry go. Even say na Flavor Nabania carry go. Even say na Two-Face son. Two-Face, abeg, I no want your son. As far as you don't be black, I like make una get money. I no need them. I like Oyibo. Ha! Your Sophie stay with them. Do you want coffee? What do you want? Do you want coffee or you want tea? Which one do you want? I want coffee. The Sophie put on for them. They know they quarrel. They can never quarrel. They know they quarrel. They'll come light cigarette. They light cigarette. Do you care for cigarettes? Did you smoke? If you say yes, you smoke, they will come give you the light time for you. Una don't be friend with that. Una don't be friend. But if not, you dey smoke? God forbid. May God not let me smoke. God forbid, God forbid, God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. I can never smoke. Not a smoke, oh. Okay, you say your mama not train you well. My person, how you there? I don't feel greet you just now, Ojuku. That's all. You say your mama not train you well. God forbid. God forbid. You see, go mother, now they go, it's not single mother finish. Say single mother, not train children. Now that's saying when there is a single mother, now they will still come insult husband and wife. Say husband and wife not train their children. The who okay, single mother not fit train his children. Husband and wife not fit train their children. The who want to follow, may God forbid. No, I don't need them. Oh. I don't need them. No, I don't need them. No. I don't need them. No, a boy I want. I don't need them. I don't fish out. If I go their house, I drink coffee with them finish. I say, do it. You tell me say, do it. I come out. Finish. They don't finish be that. Not be the one where you come they run up and down. You can't reach my house, you can't they fight. Come. Now me, I know the settle issue because me, I don't want that issue. Settle issue of husband and wife. No, I bet no, I don't carry and come my domot. I don't need them because my issue. I don't send. I told now yes, so now I be the black people. I was angry. I write on that their bully when they bully justice. I say black people are foolish. Now foolish now talk, not be useless. I remember this. I say black people are foolish. That is foolishness. And when you go to that comment section, Oyibo, we always read them say, oh, hi, love you. Hi, you look good. Hi, you look beautiful. Hi. Oyibo no go dey curse. When you see their comment, you know, if you read that, you know African comment, you go just know and say, na African people, na they here. They are very disgusting. I make me, I know they go where they dey. If I see them for ground, me, I dey dodge myself, I dey dodge my eye. I dey give them my eye, I dey dodge my eye. If I just say that they come this, I'll carry my face, come this. You know, so they'll see they use face, they find you. If I just say go this, I'll carry my face, go this. If I say go this, I'll carry my face, go this. You know? Now, as far as they do my own, because I won't be people. No. Those people, they are terrible. My people, I'll go wash my bedroom. If I turn I'll wash bedroom today. Now, bye. Thank you, Joyce Love. Hi, Joyce Love, how you tell no? Hi, Jesus Christ. And it's something they pay me. Hi. What me? Yeah? As I open my reach, go for beat, go marry. Oh, this Joyce, it be like say you don't know my mind. Ayo. Now make me the tell our sister when marry you, but maybe now stay there. Oh. All those black boys will come. Everything they use Oyibo do. Everything they use Oyibo do. Make una no allow them go spoil una dream. Oh. This most of black people when they Euro, they be dream killer. They go buy your dream. If you pursue them, they go come. If you pursue them, they come. They never submit They're not going to submit to OT. They buy your dream. These people, my love, it be like, see this comment. Hey, you make me they cry this early morning, and you say no. Abi, you still make the same mistake when I make. Just love. Because this comment when you write, it be like, say, you made this mistake when I make. Now people on the same shoe, now they write something like this. People on the same shoe. Hey, Joyce, love you. I sure say now the same shoe now we do. How you tell no? Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, okay, you hold on for me now. You know, say as they talk now, when time go still come, you go still remember us. Let your children marry Oyibo. Let your children marry Oyibo. Don't use Nigeria. People when you come from Nigeria, when you come Europe, come marry Oyibo. Don't use their eye to look children when you born for abroad. Because children when you go born for abroad, they have occupation. They have, okay, let me just say, for example now, like my children. My children now, they have their own documents. No be document, no be they go tell you, say, give me. Or if they not tell you, say, give me money. Did you see the difference between people when come for Africa with children when they born for Europe? One, people when they come for Africa, now beg, now they can't do for year, beggar. There is no qualification. They don't carry their qualification come abroad. I'm going to Ojuku. I want just give you small something for here. Then you yourself go to say, wow, this woman, you are right. Maybe in abroad now you did now. You have your children here in abroad. Your children must come out with one occupation. Your children can be a doctor, it can be a lawyer, it can be accountant, it can be read business, anything. Your pikin go fit come out with those things. You can be footballer, it can any game. You can come out for those things, And that your pikin now, he get waiting, he get passport, and he get occupation. He not be beggar. He not the beg money. He not say, if I marry you, you will give me document. No. Why be say Oyibo on with Nigeria black people when they pack themselves enter abroad? Why be say, so people say I can never marry Oyibo? You see the difference? These people, they were not having anything. The black people, when they come, when they marry Oyibo, they were not having anything. What did they do? Now Oyibo, they look in hand, make Oyibo give them paper. Now Oyibo, they look in hand, make that they collect money for Oyibo hand. They don't get any occupation. They were not having anything occupation. Then they come into Oyibo and they carry their bodies. They give them to Oyibo. Oyibo do. She say, no, this body is too much. Oyibo say, I'm fed up. Did you know when the body is too much, you go fed up? And Oyibo don't like stress. You don't see Oyibo don't like stress. You don't ever say, if they come, you see so Oyibo carry spacer. You go the drag and they go house. Now we won't be black. Now we the drag because we are used to it. Oyibo know they drag. If Oyibo want to go do small shopping, now you go carry bicycle come out. And that bicycle, you get basket. If you ride down rich market, you pack something inside, you ride down go house. If na car you want carry, you carry car, you carry and go supermarket, you buy something inside, you carry and enter. We won't be black. We go they carry and they go. And they go this low too. You see, there is a difference between you black that came from Africa to Europe with nothing. That the children when they have for Europe, when they say they get qualification to work in any places they want to work. Like for example now, your daughter is a lawyer, or your son is an accountant, or your another of your daughter is a doctor. The country when you there, your pikin fee go school finish for there. He will say they go America, I want to go take a master's. When your pikin they take a master's for America, Is working and they're still paying. They will be paying her before you know. You don't they work. You say, Daddy, I'm not coming back to Germany again. I got a job here. Before you know, you go get boyfriend. Because the two of them, they get occupation. They get job. They know how to systemize themselves. When they go to market, they do shopping, they enter house. Black, when you come from Nigeria, Oyibo go do shopping for the finish. They go see the one, Oyibo still give them cash. Did you see that it's different? Don't use Nigerian mentality for the children when you born for abroad, though. Actually, understand me. Now, Oyibo I deal with right from time. Who Nigeria may help. Just stay there, my love. Stay there. Any man will say, Oyibo not the fuck well. You ask black, you the fuck well. Now deceive that they use until they deceive people. They're not good though. Just stay there. Stay there. Hold you down, Oyibo. Your children go grow. You can't be mama. Yes. All those ones they don't know, they say, I bet my children will not go ever marry Oyibo. Forget now Nigerian mentality you they use. Now when pack on ourselves come on from Nigeria, come abroad without nothing, no qualification. We are not get any qualification, nothing. We are not get anything. Then we are carry on board the con give Oyibo. When Oyibo never defend you, he account me nye. Nothing he account the balance every day with money or top. But when Oyibo can't know you now, you not get work, you be jobless man. And Oyibo use the money to take lawyer. Oyibo now go use the money to marry you. Now Oyibo, did you know that if Oyibo with Oyibo they want marry, the woman get wetin you go buy oh. The woman get wetin you go buy. The man fit buy where the gown give he fiancé. If fiancé go buy, if fiancé will say, whoa, you buy me where the gown, I'm going to buy you your suit. The suit you will wear. You see the way when they take Oyibo they do, and when you give Oyibo, they will give you back. When you give Nigeria know they return back. Nigeria don't know how to return back. Maybe there now, the family go say, maybe the girl family go say, he go buy the boy suit. The boy family go say, he go buy the girl with the gown. You see the way when they take rotate and so, my people, those people go ever poor? No. Oh, no, man, they say my pikin can never marry black, marry Oyibo. Now, when it comes so far, because some people attitude, Oyibo never come across that attitude. You can never see Oyibo they beg Oyibo money. If Oyibo with Oyibo reach a restaurant now, then they pay for their money, they will gather the money together, put on for a side plate. If now bar now, the two of them they together. This one go pay you, this one go pay you. But why black carry body come? Yes, Ojuku, yes. I love to let people to understand. I don't understand me, Ojuku. Don't say that. Because your child, you know your child, not be the way when you take come abroad. Not be so your child be. Your child was born in abroad. Grow up in abroad, school in abroad. And you go get, if you want to work, you go get work. You know go there. When children don't already they work, go school for abroad, you don't already they work. Do you know some children they, some university graduates, university student they, their occupation as a doctor, they don't already they use and go they serve for hospital. For if now 2 hours he do, they go pay or till you go school finish. If now accountant now you be, you still go they use and go to they serve for bank. If now see 2 hours. You must get 1 day where you will go to practice that thing for bank. As they practice on for bank, they go pay you put. Did you see it? They go pay you put. Anything, any time when you spend, they must pay you put because it's your work. Now so it be. Then your pikin go school. If your pikin go school finish, maybe your daughter now, you go say, now daughter you want be. I see they university now. Now there you go jam Oyibo when they go school as well. 2 of them go be friend. Maybe the Oyibo now if he still be doctor, or maybe the Oyibo now law na the oyibo they read, or maybe the oyibo na accountant, na the oyibo they read. They with your daughter, they become friends. Because na university now they find themselves. Before you know, now so they'll take carry themselves, they'll come graduate, carry themselves, they do everything, carry themselves, they will find work, that they work. Before you know, so they move to each other, some will go each other, they will go live together for each other. Before you know, they get married. That is how Oyibo they do their own thing. If Oyibo they go in boyfriend house now, if papa and mama not they ask say where you they go, they know say na boyfriend house, now they go. If you read that they find out, say where are you? You go say I'm with Lawrence. You go say okay, see you later. I'm going. Oyibo will not be black when they say go check on whether they Peter house. You know say they friend Peter that year. You don't throw away Peter. Go check on whether it's there Osamuji house. You see the friend of Samuji, your mama go know how many boyfriend when you don't friend, know how many boyfriend when you don't drop. If Oyibo they find pikin, you know pikin boyfriend house when you want find and go. There is one black lady here, and they do the black lady here. The black lady now Oyibo marry, not be Nigeria, now the country when these people colonize. Sometimes I dey go the woman house. Sometimes she just come in, I love me. Hi, how you doing? I say I'm well because the other day now she even come and say make I come see her. Come tell me I say I don't feel fine. The day when I go help and go do a wig, you know, help and go trim a wig and do the wig. Now he got to say his daughter room. We can't find something. I can say wow. I say how is your daughter doing? He say wow. He say her daughter now he with your boyfriend. Now then they live together. Say, you know, say black people now, yeah. Say you don't miss your daughter. You don't say yes. Now so you go miss her now. You not go ever stay with you forever because the pikin don't they reach almost 20-something years. Now so you not go stay with you forever. Because say yes, the boyfriend they work before you know now they will do marriage. That is it. So if I say my pikin not go marry Oyibo. Now the way when you take come for Africa, now that how you tell they look your pikin. Don't use that look your pikin. Oh. Your pikin go school for abroad. You go get your own work for abroad. When we come from Nigeria, we don't carry anything enter Europe. We don't come say we dey inside life. Now inside life we dey our children not dey inside life. Oh. Now most of us they come up for inside life, Now most of us they come up for inside life. Our children not dey for inside life. Our children not be street children. Our children, they go school. You understand? Now so, my personal person, Ojuku. Now so, if you say your pikin say you want marry Oyibo, no be, okay, your pikin don't want marry Oyibo. No, you want make your pikin go marry. Make go Nigeria, go marry. Make it go marry liability for Nigeria. You will call that, when are you bringing me to abroad? When are you bringing me to abroad? Do you know what is liability? Bodies. Somebody carry bodies come meet you. Did you know? Do you know what this? I always talk. If you see my wallet, if I open my wallet, you must waka. If not 20 euro, you must waka come meet am. If not coins, you must waka come meet am. My person, why you dey waka come meet money for my wallet? I don't carry lazy man put for house. Man, when no they go work. If my son sometimes he will say, Mommy, I want to go and buy something. I'll say, okay, go to my I'll say I don't feel transfer money now. Or I go to my wallet. Go and take you go bring the wallet for me. I'll say, what do you want? You'll say what you want buy. If not 5 euros do inside, if my son go buy what you want buy, if he come, he will put the change back. He will put the change back. You know they carry the 5 euro waka. Did you see? He was born here in Europe. The one where he want use, he use and finish, can't drop the coins. You see how European children can they behave? The one where they go use and finish. If you like, give them 500 euro. If now 50 euro, now they want to take for that 500 euro, they'll take 50 euro, bring 450 come for you. Now so that they do. If I want to say, sometimes if my son they can say, I say, Papa, do you have money in your account? He will say, yes, I have. If I from my account, check your account. If I read and see say get money, I say, do you want me to top it? He'll say, no, Mommy, don't top it. If I need money, I'll let you know. You see it? Go tell me say if you need money, go let me know, because yes, I not say because say they work, because my son he still they do all those small work when he made still they do. And not be say they do I not go support her. I dey support her. Go say, mommy, no. Even sometimes say if they support me, I say, mommy, take money, I put money in your account. You see it? I don't know they say my pikin not marry, but my brother or my sister when you read that comment before, no follow that your pikin not be irrelevant child. Now with Oyibo go school. You come to friend Oyibo. Now if you read the time when you go out, now with your Oyibo boyfriend, you go come to go out, go different places. I like it like that. Now when you want come, which black you want carry? When black people they like me, they go marry Oyibo. If you see black boy, now you go say no Oyibo you want marry. If you see black girl, now you go say no Oyibo you want marry. Then okay, where your pikin want be black? Where you want see black come marry? Where? They change hand though. They change hand. No use in our children. I take look our own lifestyle. Our own lifestyle. Is that different though? Is that different? Is that different? Well. European children that they go school. Through their school, now they go see their boyfriend. You understand? Yeah, now you be the best. Not be all those one. You go carry pet. You don't see people when they go carry Nigeria people come for Africa. You don't see one when his husband buy for London. Not be drag. Not be the drag reach there. If Oyibo, you don't tire for the marriage. You go suffer go ask of divorce. Everybody go waka in you. The craze when they craze, our children not they craze like that. Our children not they craze like that. Sometimes if I just see waka they come. I say it's everywhere, don't scatter. As so you people have started, they go say, mommy, no, please. No, we don't want it. No, not again. You know, see African mother. They say, mommy, no, not again. No, not again. Then I don't understand with that. You see, before I leave that place, go down. They don't arrange them quick. They don't arrange them like that, quickly. But they say, mommy, I say, if you are coming upstairs, close your eyes. I say, no, I'm not closing my eyes. If you guys like arrange the room, if you like, don't arrange the room. I come in now, I want me to arrange. If I go, and they'll say, do you close? I say, yes. Because if I will close my eye, I don't want to do wayo for them. I want to do wayo for them, I will close my eye. Because they'll say, mommy, open your eye. I can't open my eye. I'll say, wow. Now they'll say, yes. You see, I how they do wayo for my children. I know they train my children up with wayo. If my children say close your eyes, they close. I know they open now. I will close and come to use hand take the papa step case they go. I say, now go for me one day. I must close my eye and read there for my children to know. Say, our mother is honest. There is some things when you tell my children say their mama do. My children go say you lie. You are a liar, not my mother. Did you see that? That is life. All those one when you go to tell say no. Now they leave that mentality. They carry their body con. They give her to Oyibo. They carry their bodies all the way for Africa come. They cannot put for Oyibo. Wait till Oyibo never do for their life before. Oyibo get account when he watch 100,000 euro. As he don't marry black now, he dey yolo. You know they are Jonah. You see? If you show Oyibo now, if Oyibo get 5,000 euro for account, if they receive this month, that 5,000 when they get for account, they must put money Jonah. They go they top on. And so Oyibo take grow their account. So you both grow their account, their money go come big. Then as a black man, you know they do it. You both try, Oyibo try well. Then if you come marry, you come. The man account stand with 100,000. You come marry, you come liability woman. Liability. Every day the man go they remove 100 euro, 200. My father is sick in Africa. Can you give me 5,000? Go give you. My mother is sick. Can you give me 10,000? Oyibo go give you. If Oyibo can't look at account, he go say, wow, If they come out. You know the plus. Oyibo like to plus. Oyibo don't like minus. Oyibo like plus. We won't be black. We like minus. You go carry the something. You go reduce that person's account. Now you see our people from Nigeria now. A man when you watch 3 million naira business, his wife go come. Go say, honey, I want to buy hair of 200,000. My people, 200,000 come on for inside 3 million. How much come they there? Not be 2.8 million. The business money not be good they go. Another day, you get one bag when my friend don't carry come. How much be the guy? 50,000. I be the bag. The husband don't still give her. The business not they go before you know. The man when he come me say they breach before, you go come wreck the man. Did you know how many Nigerian women wreck man? Did you know how many Nigerian women wreck man? Now they wreck man, not be winch cousin. They just come out for their family house. Enter rich man house. Wait till they know they eat before for their family house. They come they eat them for rich man house. They wreck the man. When you come see man, that they say, if you see the time with this guy, when he never marry, Kyle. Some people will say, this guy, you don't see the time when he never marry. See, you say, when he can't go marry one woman, now then he can't see life rich. He don't sell a car. He don't sell television when they house. Then they see woman when they kill man destiny. And now there they see woman when they repair man destiny. That they see woman destiny killer. No be juju use. Overspend. Now take wreck that man. Overspend. You go buy cloth today. Tomorrow you go buy cloth. Next tomorrow you go buy cloth. Another day go buy cloth. But the day when your husband go marry him, they tell him say make bring boss of Hollandis. They miss him with Accra, with Obananya, miss him with Hollandis, give him. Now wait till you go to wear for husband house be that. Not be waiting they happen for Obidi days, not be so. Before you go, no, the clothes when they buy for and the boss when they from when you go married, they carry a come house, you go abandon the cloth. You go they wear jeans. You know they abroad, on Nigeria, they go they wear tight jeans. You know they do business, so they'll say, okay, now your business when you they do now there you for the 6 months more money when you take about those things. Before you go finish the man 50 million naira. You don't finish. The man will buy car for him inside this year. Before you go, no. I just see one fine, beautiful lady. He just write one opetigra. He just write down pass. So tell your husband, say, now this thing now I want. Husband say, I don't have money. You say, no, you go get money. You go get money before you know. The man don't go buy her. And the woman now, when he say, he dey write opetigra. If you see that woman, that woman is a single lady. That woman a single lady, oh. That woman not going to be married woman. Na single lady. That woman fit get 3 big men when they collect money for their hand. You see how married women take they keep their husband career. You cannot see a lady riding a car. As first say, this woman, he marry. A lot of ladies, they carry big cars. If you ask them, no marry. They don't marry. If you get 3 big men, you go collect for year. You use and go buy that car. But you when you marry now, you come to tell your husband, say, I must ride that car. Go and see fellow woman like me. Go and see fellow. First ask yourself, say, if that woman, if he dey husband house, you when they marry with a woman when be say, if they group senator, you won't do competition with her. Are you serious? How can you do competition with a woman when be say they filare they go? You can travel anywhere. Even man never follow and sleep. They don't transfer money for your account. Do you know that there is women like that? That they see women when be say when men see them, the man only talk. The man will follow the woman talk. You don't already send 1 million naira for your account. Just say the woman follow and talk. We call those women expensive women. Then you, when your husband come marry, they manage. You can't they look that woman when we say if they do connection. You can't they follow the woman, can't they do competition. Before you know, your husband business, you don't go. Then they see some married women there, whether they be destiny killer. Some married women, they wreck their husband, reduce them. But if the man marry a woman, when be say yes, he know what it be life. Say he want to follow a husband plan. If na business, na husband they do. If that woman enter that house, but that business, it go up. But you will see some women they go kill this thing, kill them. Now you will see some come they born for one room, come on for apartment, they can't go rent one room. They don't feel pay for apartment. They say, now children. Now children when come they born, I make my husband not feel pay for apartment again. What else? The time when you marry. Some women still marry that time. The same children when you born, now that woman still born. Why the woman never pack it things, go rent one room? The way when you go to rent one room. Because you be woman will be destiny killer. You are welcome, my personal person. Aboshan Frank, Victoria, you are welcome. You not see, my people. That they see people when they keep us in career. No be witch. Now over to spend. You just like, you will just go where you put 5,000 euros now. If you work out come out, you don't reach a shop, you don't see fine clothes, you go house, you go withdraw 50 euro. Before you know, you see another one. You say, now wow, I will just collect the two. You reach house, you quickly come. You see people when their shopping shop near their house, when they inside Central, then they reach inside market, reach 5 times in a day. Before you know, you don't have that 500 euro. That cloth, don't be saying, he want they wear that cloth too, because you don't get sense. The day when I put for down, that cloth was 200 and something euro. I reached there. My mind, they say pin. Second one, they say no pin. Second one, they say pin. Then I tell the woman, I will be back. The woman say, okay, when you change your mind, you come. Come reach to that, I don't go collect that clothes. I can't, you can't see 250,000. Go check out for Nigeria currency now. You go reach to take put something there. So people they say, when they do something for Nigeria, when I go house, una met when they no plan where that time, when they don't reach 60, reach 70 years now. Now they still use Koloba sit down for road work. They work. Most of those women, when you say they sit down for road work, they work. Some don't fair marry. Some marry. Some be divorcing, Life don't TV for their eye. They look here, see say nowhere when money will go again. They go back to the business when they know how to do. You don't know that if you don't arrange your life where you are coming from, you will fall back there. That is, this life is good for somebody, to they use your brain. Where a lot of people is coming from years back, did you know that they still fall back to that place because they never plan well? Now the people that plan well, 70 years old woman, 65 years old woman, they're Nigeria. They're Nigeria. If they want to come and visit, they will come. They're Nigeria, They get house for Nigeria, they're Nigeria. For them, they'll come see man, they'll call a friend the man, they will there together. The one way be said they don't arrange their life, that and then they use Koloba, then they sit down for road, so. Now, so my personal person of Victoria. Now, then use Koloba sit down, you know, they even ask you say question, say, oh, you big biaga. After 20 years, oh, you big biaga. For your mind, say, from the year when it started to do it, I can't reach 20 years. For your mind, say, now, who big biaga, 9 days. Not big biaga, they don't feel come out, they go back again. I never know anything. Some go come on, go back again. So then when man frustrated, they go back again. That is only place, where they'll quit. The thing say they'll quit make money. But the one will be say he gets say no, he don't want to live this life again. You go find fabrica work, live normal life. You go from there start life again. Did you know a lot of people that have apartments here in Europe before. The people, they pay house rent for their hand. Did you know most of those women now, and now they go rent one room for people hand? Because why? Amanyag say that is life. Anything we are doing in this life, we have to use our brain. You know what I say? Somebody they rush in own. You want to rush your own. Because that person when they rush in own, he no get brain. Then you yourself will just go they do the same thing when that person they do. Competition. Did you know what is competition? Competition is going to reduce you. The person when they do competition together, two of them will they down. People call they say, now here na come wakarish. Yeah. So na competition now here you come land. Now so it be my people. All those one when people will they shout sometimes, no. The end of this my video now Ibo now we talk. Now one person come to say if pikin no marry Ibo. I tell am say I go explain for you. Later the person come say yes, so now true you talk. Oh, your children was born here and brought up here. They went to school. If they want to see their mates say they want friend, now here now they want friend. Our mentality when we take come for Nigeria, we didn't come with anything. We don't come with anything. We were bodies to any country when we enter. If na Italy, now you land, you were body to Italy. If na Holland, you were body to Holland. Oyibo will come marry you. You come the friend Oyibo. Now Oyibo will carry you up and down. Let us have you see some other say Oyibo not the agree spend money again. Because that mistake when they make when una come, they don't want to make that mistake again. Because their accounts, una can't reduce their account. Oyibo when in mama they buy gift, come they give. Now the Oyibo now come they buy gift, go they give your own mama. You know they say Oyibo. If you like make it they use stick, they waka they go like this. You go see carry flower. You want go give am to his son. If his son buy flower for him, his mama will go buy flower to him. Return back. Oyibo they return love back. We when we be black, we know they return love back. Only way we take the black take they return love back if they fuck. Now fuck. Now black they take the return love back. This chicken when I dey talk so, make I buy am now. Give Oyibo. Buy this chicken give Oyibo. Buy this chicken give Oyibo. Next time when that Oyibo go dey come, this chicken, you go see buy the same come give me. You see, Yes, from one flat to one room, not backward. Yes, not backward. Because why they not plan well? So people, they will be said they were tenants. They be landlord of their own. They rent house for Igbo hand. Excuse me. They rent house for Igbo hand. They put people, they together, they pay the house rent together. The house closed. They go back, go rent another house again. My person, you there. If people don't tell you this for what they see for Europe, you yourself will say, and they don't see you and take that sense. Those are the people. Now, these people I see say they abuse big currency. Do you know that European currency is very big? They go abuse them. Me, I know they abuse European currency because I know say for Nigeria now it's big. They just let it. So that's I beg. Nigeria when they build house put. Who's done I will go. Nigeria when they build house put. Who's done I will go. So women there, they relocate go Nigeria. Now that they get their own house, they new Benin market for there. That they sell. If they sell finish, their driver will drive them go house, or the woman will drive herself go house. Go New Benin. When you reach New Benin, the side when they sell like clothes, like wrapper, you know, all those jewelries, anything when ladies say they dress, go inside for New Benin. Before you go from number 1 start, they ask question, they go. Before you reach number 3, to go tell you say be a cateria. Allah. To go tell you say be a cateria. Before you go from that number 4, go again, go reach number 8. Another 2 for them go tell you say na kate na be. If you reach New Benin, na kate women, na they say something, I like the say something because where on the Jiro they go now, where they say hey bear here, tomatoes in no keke, a boomer and of one be. Now they go now. Now they go. You go use it where, my love. You go use it where. Did you know what is currency, high currency? European high currency. So saying, to the build house for Nigeria now, things they cost. Oh man, if you get the money for it, you send down go. You know what cost? Okay, how can somebody when they Nigeria, when not they abroad? You go carry 3-bedroom apartment come, you go build them. Na Nigeria currency, na use for Nigeria there. You go carry 2 flat come, you go build them, you go make boy. Na Nigeria there, na Nigeria currency, na use. Man, you supposed to wake up. What of somebody when come dey Europe? When come they use Europe currency? When you change Europe currency, everywhere go full. You go talk say you no go fee use the money where? When somebody when dey Nigeria use it, some people are saying the build house they had. No, not they listen to them again. Now deceive, now they deceive you now. You supposed to not listen to them. Try it. The house where you want build, not be only 1 year, not be want to build, not be only 2 years. It can take you 5 years. They do a small. Now so they be. My personal person now so they do the yeah, seriously. Seriously, if they thought they say I beg you, Ariemi, they chop, I beg I chop. Now they go chop, remain. Some commenter say, you not chop and finish. You say, nah, not chop and finish. What you want to do now? I'll go to one for the dustbin now. As I chop, you see, the time where those people in Nigeria, and they know they chop food throw away. They know they chop food throw away. The time where these people in Nigeria, emego, that they chop emego. Me, emego not they good for my belly. If I eat emego, I go purge for 7 days. Me, I know they chop emego. If I chop emego, I go purge for 7 days. That emego, that day break and padedjan when they go put for inside pot, come put soup. You come warm together. You purge me for 7 days and they forbid that. You see, people when they abroad, they chop and when they do Nigeria. But when they break, they chop and when they do Nigeria. But as they come to Europe now, they'll say, God forbid. Food when spend day break, now me want chop. No, that time when I did Nigeria, na that time, this time, level don't change. If level change, control your currency very well. Oyibo can never cook and throw it away. Oyibo, they mention food. Mention your food. Not because the people, they watch you for Facebook. If now one meet, now you want chop before. Because the people, they watch you, you go pack plenty one command. You want to use a content, they tell people, say, I get the money, I get the money, I get the money. Which, when you come up for Facebook, where you go to work for inside dustbin, you will go there, go pack and back. We know now. We know now me, I fit take 1 meat, 1 hand of chicken. As often they chop and small, go they feel. And I don't see the way when I did chop my turkey yesterday. As often take the hand of turkey, as often they take and small. You go they feel am. Not be done better. Like that. They tire person. So if they take and small. That's what they say they chop. If you reach Oyibo now. Oyibo want cook spaghetti now you go measure am. They'll say, now stinginess they worry. Not be stinginess. You pack and put for pot. You see some people like they want use spaghetti. They go carry full spaghetti put for pot. I was saying how they say they cook spaghetti put for 2nd day. They cook spaghetti wait for 2nd day. Spaghetti for you, but they cook and that day chop am. My people, may I leave you now? May I go give this cat food? You don't sleep, wake up. Tati, how are you? Come, let me go and give you food. Una, bye-bye.